more qualified traffic to your store or website, a higher volume of better quality leads, and of course, higher sales with a lower cost of acquisition. Pretty much sums up what every marketer on the planet wants. You know, in the constant race for customers, most automotive marketers seem quick to jump on the newest bandwagon, hoping that it proves to be the silver bullet that they have been looking for. And while new marketing platforms seem to pop up every single day, I believe it is really important to have a solid grasp of the basics. And that's what we're going to discuss in this video. You know, no rule for successful marketing is ever sacred, and no advertising medium has the market cornered and is holding all of your potential customers hostage. But before you start investing in media campaigns, you should really spend some time mastering the 4 P's of marketing that will help you win more customers. Not familiar with what the 4 P's are? Well, here they are: product, price, place, and promotion. So let's start with product. You need to ask yourself, how is your product mix? Do you have what consumers actually want to buy? Or are you just stocking up on the things you like to sell? And are there enough of those consumers even in the market that will justify you being in business? You know, you could be the greatest widget maker on the planet, but if nobody wants your widgets, you are doomed from the start. Price. How's your pricing model? Are consumers able and willing to pay what it is that you're asking? Are you checking the market to see if your pricing is even in line with your competition? You know, we all know that consumers are willing to pay more for excellent service, but there is always a line that they won't cross. And the more competitive that you can be with your pricing, the better. Place. Now this is where the marketing campaign comes in. Are your messages being delivered to consumers on the platforms they actually use? You know, you personally might be the #1 user of Instagram. Just don't fall into the trap thinking that every one of your customers is doing the same exact thing that you are and they're in the same places as you. Make sure you put your messages on the places where your customers actually are and when they are able to act. Next up, promotion. Now this is where it gets fun. What's your message? What's your offer? How are you communicating with your audience? And what are you saying to them that will get them to visit you? And you know, while I'm thinking about it, I think I'm going to add in a 5th P, and that is your people. People still buy from people, and they always choose places that they feel they know, like, and can trust. And there is no better way to help with this than to get you and your people out there telling your story. So go ahead and look for all those new opportunities, those new technologies and marketing platforms. Just don't forget the basics and the core principles that will help make you successful. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I really hope you found it helpful as you go to work building a better marketing and advertising campaign. And hey, this wouldn't be YouTube without the pitch, so get ready because here it comes. If you did like the content, you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and feel free to share your comments. Hey, until next time, good selling.